Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I will show you how to increase your website speed optimization. Okay, so let's go to the page speed inside .web.dev. That is the Google page speed.web.dev. Okay, then you just enter your website. This is my own website, https://masukmi.com. Then you can find your diagnosis performance issues like performance and accessibility, best practices, and SEO. How you will increase your website website speed, performance, and everything. You just optimize your own website. Okay, so let's go to the our deep speed f.airlift.net slash apps then sites. You just manually you can hit your own URL website, then download this plugin. Like if I show you here, just you show your uh, website link, then click this enter, then download. Then you can go to back your WordPress admin panel. So previous I just open my panel, then go to your plugin, then add new plugin. If something is maybe mistake, upload plugin. Here's the option, choose plugin option. Then uh, if you are already downloaded this file, you can upload this. Okay, then click this install this. Your site is not connected to the broken link checker. Connect now. If you want to check this, then you can connect easily. Activate plugin. Plugin already installed successfully. So here you just go to your analysis, analyzing your site, optimize, then you will show that CSS count, loading time, everything, and JS, everything will be dynamic, and CSS calculation will be speed optimization. Performance will be very good, I think. But I don't know about that. This is the third party plugin. Yeah, it's working or not, I don't know. But now we are waiting for this result. Maybe it will take a time, few time, I think, and to optimize site performance. Oh, it's time needed. Configure your site. I don't know it will work or not. That's why I have to wait for this one. Okay, reloaded view images already they are detected. So now we are checking our optimized site performance 57. So now go to your browser and check analyze again. Then what is the main problem it is. So it's increase or not. We are waiting for show this result. After complete your installation plugin, okay, and, lift dashboard plugin. So I think that will be our analysis plugin. This website will detect to you performance and everything. Okay, some also like something. 57 and now 62, and best practices also 100%, and SEO 85. Performance is good, not good like that. CLSS and TVT, and problem is FCP, SI. So something wrong with this one. Values are estimate, they may be vary. Performance score is calculated directly from this metric calculation. The first contentful paint 2.9, largest contentful paint 8.0, speed index 7.1, and now cumulative layout shift, I think, have a lots of problem. I will increase day by day. Okay, so performance will be 90%, I think, then that will be better for me. So guys, today this is the video for increasing checking your website speed using the PageSpeed.web.dev. Then you can check your web performance. Then you can increase your optimize view like 57 to 62. I think this is the first time, that's very good. Then second time or third time you will just develop your website speed. Then I think that it will be work. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next video.